how do you cut back the roots? Just simply pull your plant with the long roots out of the sleeve. You want to be able to cut the roots probably about 3 inches from the base of the pot, like such. You're not going to put the plant into any kind of shock and then simply put the pot back into the sleeve. So the reason you want to do that is it puts energy back into the root structure of the entire plant so that more foliage, more leaves can be growing. But the other important thing is a lot of times the roots, they follow the path of the nutrients back into the reservoir and ultimately inside of your pump. So that's one of the reasons why you want to routinely cut the roots back to make sure that they don't clog your pump.
For more videos on how to use your grow block and maximize the impact of your monthly grow box, subscribe on YouTube or visit us online at produceforall.com.